Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now after weeks and weeks and weeks of waiting patiently, my Jeffree Star winter mystery boxes for 2020 have finally arrived. And if you're interested to find out what's inside, then stay tuned. As many of you know, the Jeffree Star mystery boxes are highly anticipated every season, and very often they sell out within minutes. I was on the website before 10 o'clock, signed into my account, refreshing that website, and as soon as they were released, I grabbed all 4 of them and made my purchase. I would say I was in and out of that website within 60 seconds. Unfortunately, it's taken quite a while for them to get here, but they are finally here. So let's open them up and see what is finally inside these boxes. So we are going to start off with the mini, and the mini contains 3 items. There are no apparel items in this box, and I am intending to give these as gifts, so I will not be swatching them, and I will be taking really good care of the packaging also when I open it because I don't want to ruin anything. The first item in this box is the gloss, and this is in the color Iridescent Throne. His packaging for these type of products is kind of hard to get out, so I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. So here's the gloss in Iridescent Throne, and you'll see that really nice purple reflective shimmer in there. It's really, really pretty. Packaging is also really nice. He always does a good job on his packaging. The next item is from the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star collaboration, and this is a velour liquid lip in the shade Jeffree What the Fuck. It is a very vibrant pink, really pretty. I don't know if the person I'm giving this to is gonna appreciate it as much as maybe some, but I know she'll find a way to make use of it. She's a very bright girl, just like this lipstick. And the last item in this box is the velour lip scrub in the flavor of watermelon gum. And here we have the packaging, really cute. Has that Jeffree Star logo up on top. So let's open this and see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. Oh, smells so good. And here is what it looks like on the inside. This smells so good. I could literally eat this. Next up, the premium. So the first item is the Jeffree Star beanie, cute little pink pom-pom with a also cute Jeffree Star logo in pink. Nice and white. It looks really comfy. We don't get very cold here in California, but right now it's cold enough, and I think the person that this is intended for is going to get a lot of use out of it. Next in the box is a set of 4 drinking straws with a cleaning brush in the shade of purple. Next in the box we have a velour liquid lip in the shade Celebrity Skin. And here we have it out of its packaging. You'll see a very nude neutral lip, and I think pretty much everyone can wear this color. And next we have the gloss, which is from his Orgy collection, and this is in the shade Body Count. And here we have it out of the box, and you'll see once again a really nice nude gloss. This will go perfect with that liquid lip of Celebrity Skin. And last but not least, the palette. And this is the Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. Here we have it in its box. Just open it up, and there it is. Packaging on this just kills me. And here we have all the colors. It's a really nice color story. Next up, the deluxe, and this includes 7 items. First item I see is a white tee, and I have seen spoilers of this, so I don't want to open it, but it's a white tee. This is in the size medium, and there is some decoration on the sleeve of the shirt. Next item up is the gloss in the shade of Shockwave. And here's the gloss out of its box, and it is a pinky peach shimmer gloss. Really pretty. Easy to go with either a liquid lip underneath or just by itself. I think it'd be really, really pretty. And the palette is next, and in this palette we received the Orgy palette. So I'm not going to show you the packaging. I don't want to get in any trouble. There's some bodies laying around on there, but this is the color scheme and the color story for the Orgy palette. It's really, really easy, neutral, kind of your everyday kind of a palette. The next item in the box is a Velvet Trap Bullet Lipstick, and this is in the color Malibu Beach House. I think this is in the shade kind of a purplish hue. Here's his packaging, cute little pink bullet, and once you open that, here is the lipstick, and you'll see that Jeffree Star logo imprint on the lipstick itself. It's a really nice touch. It's purple, kind of hard to wear, but I think the person that I'm giving this to will be able to pull it off okay. Next item in the box is a velour liquid lip, and this is in the shade Designer Blood. So here we have that. It's kind of a brownish red tinge, more of like maybe a brick color to it. Really nice. I think people with the deeper skin tones can really pull this off. I know I have this specific color myself, and it's really nice. I wear it quite often. And the next item is a velour lip liner in the shade I Am Nude. So here it is out of its packaging, and look at the top of that lip liner. Isn't it beautiful? As I said before, I am not going to swatch this because this is going to a friend, but this is so perfect. This is a really nice nude lip liner, something that you can wear every day. Really easy to use. The last item in the box is the Velour Liquid Lipstick Set, and this is from the collaboration between Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. So let's open this up and see what colors are inside. So here you have all 6. So you have some pretty vibrant colors here, kind of nudies, and then one that's a little bit different. It's kind of that gunmetal. Pretty nice. I know these were very popular back when they were released. This pig head is just really cute. And last but not least, the Supreme box, and this box contains 10 items. Right up on top I see a mirror, and this is in the color Iridescent Light Pink, and this I believe is from the Orgy collection. I don't want to break the seal as this is a gift for somebody, but you probably know what it looks like. The next item is a palette, and it is the Cremated palette. Let's take it out of its box. Here we have the cover. You see Jeffree's face, and here you have all those cool tones, grays, silvers. This isn't necessarily a palette that I would choose for myself. I like a little bit more warm tone, but for the right person, this will work. Next item we have is a translucent setting powder. This is what the packaging looks like. You'll see the Jeffree Star logo. It's a clear plastic, and this has a scent of vanilla. I love this. Use it all the time, but that scent just really is really nice and relaxing. Item we have is a Skin Frost, and this is in the shade Ice Cold. Get it out of its packaging, and this is not a good sign. When you see something like this, and you haven't even opened it yet, yeah. I am not going to open this. This is broken. That's unfortunate. We'll continue on. We have another a velour lip scrub, also in strawberry gum. We have that cute little mirror for the Christmas tree that it's unfortunately too late to put on a tree. Next we have the gloss in the shade Candy Drip. And here it is out of its box. It is a pink with a purple flex or shift to it. I don't know if you can really catch that from the camera, but it's really pretty. Again, the top. He always has that really nice decorative top. It's really pretty. Next up, we have the Love Me or Love Me Not. I have this myself. I love this. This is the mini velour lipsticks. And let's open this up here so you can see. So pretty. And if there's one thing I love about Jeffree Star's line, it's his velour lipsticks. They stay on your lips forever. Love it. Up we have a cosmetic bag, and this is in the black and pink marble. So these are always nice to have. Always have makeup everywhere, so anywhere you can store it is a bonus. And the last item is the apparel item, and this is in purple. So this is a hoodie, and this is in the size medium. I won't be taking this out of the bag because all of these items are gifts for other people, so wanted to stay as pristine as I can get them. But really nice. All right, well, everything's been unboxed, and now I need to box it all up again and get it to their prospective owners. Unfortunately, that frost is shattered, and I'll need to contact JSC about that. But pretty much everything that I received in these boxes, I think the people that they're intended to are really going to like them. The one product that maybe is on the fence is that purple Velvet Trap lipstick. When it comes to the purple lipsticks or purple, green, blues, I'm a woman of a certain age, and I have friends that are close in age to myself. But the person that I'm going to give this to is a little bit more adventurous and will probably be able to pull it off without any issue. But I want to thank you all for watching and helping me unbox all these products. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and please subscribe to my channel as it helps my channel grow. And until the next time, I'll see you all later. Bye everyone.